Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This morning in particular, I got up. I was so tired from the night before, and it was just a morning that was dedicated to me, to, self-care, pouring back into myself. I had a long night from taking care of my daughter who was sick, so I got up while she was asleep and got me some rest, because literally that night I was so wiped out. I didn't even get to shower before bed, so I got up and I just began to run me a hot bath. I took out some brand new bath sponges to exfoliate, which you see me doing right now, and I just turned on some hot water and got some bubbles to draw up that bubble bath. I love a bubble bath. It's just something so calming and relaxing. It just, I went downstairs, got me something to drink so I can have some of my orange juice for the day. And I love this orange juice right here in particular. And I just wanted to set it up in a wine glass. It's something about, a wine glass. It just makes you feel extra fancy. And I got my candles out. I lit my candles. Candles will do it too. Candles will always set the mood, get some aromatherapy going on. It just was so well needed. Just to wake up that morning, you get up, you say your prayers, you dedicate your day to the Lord, and just thank Him. I just was so thankful, one, that I was able to, get my daughter's temperature, her fever down, and just to get up and know that I can, start over and look for Him to restore my soul, restore my spirit. So here I am, getting in my bubble bath. I love turning the lights out in my bubble bath as well. This is the things that I use, all my self-care products. And then I turn on, some relaxing, calm sounds with some scriptures playing with it while I, put my lotion and do my skincare regimen with my oils and everything. And that music is just so calming and relaxing. When I got finished doing it, I went back downstairs because I was hungry, so I had to take my vitamins for the day. And I made me some yogurt, a yogurt parfait with granola and apples. Then I made me an iced caramel coffee, a latte. I think this is more of a latte because it's more milk and cream than coffee, but iced caramel coffee. And I began to take my stuff. Oh my goodness, I had to use the Cool Whip in the can in the jar because my daughter used all the one in the can up. But here I am, reading some affirmations, and those are the notebooks that I made for my 31 affirmations challenge. I have my daily bread out so I can read a scripture and a devotional for today and reading over my Bible. And that's just, how I sat back and just had some quiet time, like I said, and let the Lord be in my day. The scripture for the day, it was just so on point right there in that my daily bread. It was just so on point. And I just love that. And that's just how I did my morning. It's just good, like I said, knowing that you can start your day with Christ and just renew yourself and be renewed in the Lord. Thank you for watching.